Looking for an effortless way to deploy dedicated devices? This video will show you how to set up Kiosk Mode on the XpressReal T3 single-board computer using FydeOS Enterprise's powerful Zero-Touch feature. We've made it quick and easy. You can get everything done in just 3 simple steps: prep, flash, and enroll. Let's get started. First, we'll generate a ZTE image in FydeOS Management Cloud. Once all the settings are configured, click Generate Zero-Touch Enrolment Image. The system will notify you that the image is being built, which typically takes about 10 to 20 minutes. Now for the flash step. With the image downloaded, it's time to write it to a microSD card. Use your preferred flashing software to select the image file you just downloaded. Choose the microSD card as the target drive and begin the flashing process. Finally, the magic happens in the Enrol step. The possibilities are endless. FydeOS Kiosk Mode is perfect for a wide range of applications, such as interactive self-service kiosks in retail, dynamic digital menus for restaurants, or even a centralized smart home hub. With Zero-Touch Enrolment, you can shorten deployment times dramatically. You'll also reduce costs by eliminating the need for on-site IT staff for setup and simplify the logistics of large-scale rollouts, sending devices directly to their destination, ready to go. To help you get started, every XpressReal T3 now comes with a free 3-month kiosk license. Now it's your turn. Discover the power and simplicity of unattended deployments. Start using FydeOS Kiosk Mode in your next project.